This is very important problem. Given ax square plus 2hxy plus by square equal to 0. Then show that d square y by dx square equal to h square minus ab by hx plus by whole cube. So first differentiate with respect to x. A into 2x plus 2h uv formula u dash v dash u plus b into 2y into dy by dx. Derivative of any constant 0. Y square derivative 2y into 2 into 2 into 2 cancel. So ax plus h into derivative of x1 into y plus h into y derivative dy by dx into x plus by into dy by dx equal to 0. First calculate dy by dx. So take dy by dx common. hx plus by equal to minus ax minus hy. So dy by dx equal to minus ax minus hy by hx plus by. This is the first derivative of y with respect to x. This is equation number 2. Next, d square y by dx square. Apply u by v formula. Apply u by v formula. U dash minus a into 1 minus h into dy by dx. This is u dash. V hx plus by. hx plus by. U dash v minus v dash h x derivative 1 plus b into dy by dx. b into dy by dx. U dash v minus v dash u minus ax minus hy by hx plus by whole square. So multiply this numerator. Multiply the numerator. d square y by dx square equal to minus multiply the numerator. We get minus ahx minus aby minus h square x dy by dx minus h b y dy by dx. Next, plus ab ahx plus h square y plus abx dy by dx plus h b y dy by dx by hx plus by whole square. ahx cancel. hby dy by dx cancel. See, from these two take y common, h square minus ab. From these two, take minus x into dy by dx common, h square minus ab by hx plus by whole square. Take h square minus ab common by hx plus by whole square. Remaining term is y minus x into dy by dx. Next, substitute in dy by dx place. In dy by dx place, substitute equation number 2. U by v formula, u dash v dash u by v square. Multiplying the brackets, we get ahx cancel, hby into dy by dx cancel. So remaining take y common, take minus x dy by dx common, h square minus ab take common, y minus x into dy by dx. Substitute dy by dx, that is equation number 2, in this place. So you get next one, h square minus ab by hx plus by whole square, y minus x into dy by dx minus ax minus hy by hx plus by. Take LCM, that is the answer. Take LCM. H square minus ab by hx plus by whole square, hx plus by LCM, h xy plus b y square plus a minus plus ax square plus h xy, hxy 2 times repeated. So ax square plus 2h xy plus by square by hx plus by, h square minus ab by hx plus by whole square. See this one, this is nothing but 1, ax square plus 2hxy plus by square equal to 1. So this value is 1. So h square minus ab into 1 by hx plus by whole square into same term, whole cube. We apply again dy by dx in this place. Take LCM, multiply these two, multiply these brackets, hxy becomes to 2 times 2hxy, ax square plus by square. This is nothing but 1, whole square into 1, hx plus by whole cube.